are those changes that you're both saying, that you've both sat here and said, are possible and desirable,
and
actually achievable before this case goes back to court? And would the Steve Welches and the Students Matter and the Eli Broads and all those other people stand down if those changes could be achieved without going back to court?
Do you want me to answer first?
Well, you know those guys.
Okay, so I guess I don't care who stands up or stands down. I guess I care a lot that if we were able to make those changes responsibly and collectively, that would matter tremendously for the only constituency that I care about, which is our youth. That would be amazing. I mean, you raised a point, and that is we happen to be a state-funded, state-oriented state law system. We can't, in California, negotiate tenure at a district level. And it would look differently elsewhere. I would be committed to every bit of energy that I could muster and bring those that we've struggled with in agreement to try to do this. I mean, I couldn't think of a better thing to celebrate Labor Day in America around here would be to work with my partner in creating a labor framework that would be deemed better than we have now.
So,
same question.
So look, I think the issue becomes, can we create a climate like we have in other places to do this? But even in this room, where I'm talking about how we have in other places, there's still a lot of antipathy to thinking that fairness for teachers is not in children's best interest. And so when I say we have to create a climate, I'm all for it. I think those of us who went into education, but actually went on the union side of it, care as deeply about children as John does.
Absolutely agree.
And if we don't actually figure this out, we will lose the promise of public education. So when I said that failure is not an option, we have to figure it out. But the question becomes, how do we create, like we did in New York, like we've done in ABC School District, how do we create the climate that allows the solution? And that, frankly, I don't know the answer in terms of California, Ray. I know the answer in other places, but I think that if we don't actually diffuse some of the polarization, we won't create the climate.